Aristotle's work on ethics can be found in two surviving volumes that he authored. First, the Eudaimonia Ethics, and second, the Nicomachean Ethics. Unlike Plato's works, Aristotle's surviving works look more like lecture notes. Early on he wrote dialogues of which only fragments have survived. Instead, the treatises that have survived represent many, although certainly not all, of his lectures, and they reveal the diversity of topics in which he was interested, including dialectic, rhetoric, logic, politics, biology, chemistry, geology, meteorology, and cosmology. His main works on morality both begin by discussing eudaimonia, often translated into English as happiness or flourishing. This flourishing leads us to live a good life. Then, both works examine the nature of arete, or virtue. It is often taken that the Nicomachean Ethics is a refined reworking of the Eudaimonia Ethics. They both carry the names of their editors, of his friend Eudaimus and of Aristotle's own son, Nicomachus. The two books are thought to be the first ever unified works dedicated entirely to morality. Man's place in nature as a rational animal. In Aristotle's view, living things have distinct characteristics that set them apart from each other and from non-living things. He calls such distinctive characteristics the soul of that living thing. Think of living things as occupying a pyramid. Plants at the bottom of the pyramid have nutrition, which sets them apart from non-living things such as rocks, water, and metals. Aristotle calls this the nutritive soul. Animals also have nutrition as part of their soul. However, they are distinguished from plants by possessing instinct. An animal's instinct is its innate pattern of behavior in response to certain stimuli. In other words, it describes their sensitivity to themselves and their environment. We can call this the sensitive soul. Finally, human beings occupy the topmost level of our pyramid. While we possess both nutrition and instinct, we also have another characteristic that sets us apart from both animals and plants: rationality. This quality of being able to use reason and logic is our soul, our defining feature. We can call this the rational soul. Exercising rationality is the function of human beings. When we exercise rationality, we are exercising our true nature. The more we exercise our true nature, the more we flourish and the more virtuous we become. Virtue is behavior that displays high moral standards. To display virtue is to display goodness in something. Therefore, Aristotle explains, moral virtue is a disposition to behave in the right manner, to choose good actions and passions, motivated by a desire to perform virtuous acts for their own sake. Aristotle calls this arete, meaning excellence. Therefore, being virtuous is being excellent. How can we do what is right? Rationality is central. We act virtuously when we act according to reason. Exercising our rationality, therefore, brings us closer to reaching eudaimonia, or living the good life. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to get notified of more videos.